happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and today we are unboxing and reviewing the W66 smartwatch. A lot of you people wanted to see this, but here we have it. Let's get straight into it. But just before I start, make sure you follow me on one of these social medias. As always, put up sneak peeks on what to expect on Allsortzz, and as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so when I upload any video you'll actually be notified. Anyways, this is the box of the W66. As you can see here, you got a printed picture of the watch. It comes in a few different colors. You can purchase it from AliExpress or Alibaba. Here we have a gold sticker, but it's definitely not a gold, maybe rose gold, but we'll see as we get into the box unboxing. So you got NJY Tech, a sticker right there, and here is some of the information about this W66. So the CPU is RTL8762C, watch size is a 44mm, recharge is wireless charging, so it's got the latest charging technology. The main features is sports, heart rate, thermometer, etc. And the package, what you receive inside is a smartwatch plus the charger and plus the manuals. There's nothing else except just this text on the box: leading a healthy lifestyle. So that is about it. Let's open the box and see what we get inside. So we have a pink band with a rose gold body on the watch. Just before we take a look at what we get inside, well, what the watch is like, let's see what else we get inside the box. So opening this part up, you get a wireless charger. So this is what the original one looks like, but of course this W66 does not work with the original charger. I've already tried it, so I hope that answers a lot of your questions. You've got to charge it with this one, so it's just like the same, but it doesn't perform the same as the original. It's just a wireless charger. So what else you get? You get a case for the smartwatch as well, which is really good, and you get some manuals which comes in 2 different languages, as you can see right here. You can choose. So you got English and the other one. So that is this what we get inside the box. Let's take a look at the smartwatch. Here we have it, a pink watch band with like a rose gold body, as you can see right here. So here we have the W66 smartwatch. It's a 1.75 inch display. I've been told the battery life lasts up to 3 to 5 days, depending on how you use it as well. So as you can see, it looks similar to the original. The only thing different is the sensors at the back. They're the old style. So here you have watch series 6, 44mm aluminium ceramic case, ECG, heart rate and Bluetooth. As you can see, that's the sensor right there. You've got a sticker to say it's past. No idea what is past. It also has the buttons to take the watch bands on and off, which is really good, the same as the original. It has the crown in the right place, the mic cutout in the right place, and also a button, and this is a real button as well. It's not the fake one like some smartwatches actually do. It's also got the speaker grill cutouts, which I'm pretty sure both of them work as well, because they're both, the one's not fake and one's real type of thing. So they're both a right cutout, as you can see right there. One's not filled in, but overall the looks of this W66 is really good, because it's definitely a one-to-one copy, just the looks on the W66, because it's got the buttons for the watch band. All of the body of it is exactly the same. So let's take a look at it. All we need to do is push it in, and you hopefully it should switch on. It's got some battery in it. Oh, the button is really stiff, so you get a vibration, and as you can see here, it's switched on straight away. So there's no startup logo, no tone or anything like that. It goes straight into it. Let's swipe it down, see if we get anything. So here we have your shortcuts. That is your Bluetooth information. It just says watch 6 MAC in the version. What else do we have? Your battery information, your battery level. This is to turn your audio mode. So once you've connected it to Bluetooth, you can turn your audio mode, which goes straight. You can actually use it on the watch to play music from the watch or from the phone. You've got to turn that on and off. The QR code to download the app, and it's got 2 menu styles: the smart style and the grid, 9 grid. So that is the shortcut. Swiping it to the left, you've got your menu style right there. Just pushing the crown, it goes back to the home screen. Swiping up for your notifications, swiping it to the right, and that's your exercise. You can choose from all of these exercises as well, so it's really good. The only thing I can actually see on this smartwatch, well, the only thing I realized on this smartwatch is it's a bit laggy. I'm not gonna lie. to be honest, a few people wanted to see this watch and compare it to other ones, so what I'm gonna have to do is do a comparison between this and a few other watches. But overall it is a little bit laggy, I'm not going to lie. I've used it before as well. So let's see the watch screen just goes off straight away. Let's go into the menu and see what else we have. I want to show you all of the apps. So here we have your pedometer, as you can see in the crown, there's no your sleep monitor. This is your breathe, you can actually choose 1 or 2 minutes. Your heart rate, let's go into heart rate and just hold it up to see if we actually get a reading. It's doing something because you've got the graph going up and down. Let's just show you if we get any flashing lights. We've got no flashing lights at the back. I don't know if it's actually doing anything. So we've not actually got a reading, so I'm just going to bring a box in and see if we get a reading when it's on an object. Right, it showed us the reading and then it vibrated, that means it's finished. So 74 beats per minute on this box. So the box has a heart rate. So as you can tell with all these smartwatches, you never get a accurate reading when it comes to all these blood pressure, heart rate, blood oxygen and your temperature. So it does have the options there to show you what it's like, but they are not 100% accurate. So you got your music, you have to connect it to your phone for that. So as you can see with the crown does work. Going back into your call settings, call records, your phone book, your call dialer, which means you can actually make calls from this watch. Information, we've already seen that. You got your menu style, so let's go back into menu style and here it is. Look at that. But I don't actually like this menu style, no idea why. Let me know what your favorite menu style is. It's not got a lot of options, to be honest. So that is let's go into settings. You got languages, you've got quite a few languages right here, as you can see. So it's a good option of languages. So dial switch, you can actually only change it to 4 watch faces, so which is not really good. Let's go back into settings. Display brightness, you can actually change it by swiping it, which is really good. That's a nice animation. Screen time 9 seconds. Turn wrist to wake, so tilt to wake, you can actually do that, but I don't know why there's a timer on there. And that is about it. And for the display, what else do we get in the settings? Vibration, dense, intensity, so you can actually do it vigorous, smooth or medium. Menu style, we've already seen that, and that is about it. System as well, we've seen shutdown and reset. So that is it with this smartwatch. I have no idea what this is. What does that do? Oh, that is that actually shuts it down, to be honest, and as you can see it just resets it. So let's go back into settings, change it to 9 grid, as we like 9 grid. There's one feature I actually saw on here. So if we go back into the menu, as you can see here, is this the women's health feature is not turned on. I tried turning this on, but no idea how to turn it on. You might have to download the app to turn it on. So here we have your exercise modes right here. Then you've got your weather, particularly cloudy. No idea where it's particularly cloudy because I've not connected to any phone. You've got your alarm clock, your stopwatch, countdown, messages, notifications, to search for your watch, find my watch, and your brightness, as you can see right there. So that is the menu for this. Now what I'm going to do is connect it to my phone to show you what features it's got with the app. Right, the app you need to download is this one right here, Fit Cloud Pro, and as you can see here, this is what it looks like. Now when it comes to the watch, usually when you go into shortcuts you can just swipe it down and click the Bluetooth, but that doesn't do anything. That just connects this watch to the phone right here. So if we add the bracelet, as we're calling it right here, and it's just searching for it, and as you can see, watch 6, and just hold the watch near to the phone and it's just going to connect straight away. It does ask you, do you want to pair, and also do you want to accept notifications, but we've already clicked that. So as you can see here, the watch is connected. Now with these smartwatches you have to actually connect them twice to get the full features when it comes to the phones and text messages, notifications. So with this one, as you can see here, it's just connected once. Allow notifications, yes. Now to you have to switch this one on right here. This will actually activate the calls and music to the watch. So as you can see here, it will come up at the Watch 6 LE, as you can see right there. We need to connect that, and as you can see, it's connected right there. So just before we take phone calls and notifications, just show you what it's like. Let's see what the app is like. And yeah, that's for push notifications. So here you can actually choose which notifications you get. So you've got call, SMS, we'll put on WhatsApp. I'll show you the notification from WhatsApp, but look at how much notifications of you can get from different apps. So that is really good. Enable reminder as well. Alarms, you can check alarms, activity reminder, you can toggle that on and off. Drink reminder, watch face as well. So the watch face store, you can put different watch faces on. We like this one, so let's sync watch face to that, and as you can see here, it's just doing that. So let's just wait for that to be done. Synced straight to the watch, and as you can see here, this watch face is much better. I like these watch faces, but you can choose from either one. So my watch face, you can actually edit it and just delete it, but I don't think you can actually put the custom watch faces on. So if we go back into watch face store, I think it's just this. Yeah, as you can see, no, you can't actually choose a custom watch face. You can only edit and delete it off the watch, but that is about it. So a bit disappointed about that, about the custom smart watch faces. Raise to wake, you can switch that on and off, as you can see right there. Elevated heart rate measurement, automatic health monitor, wrist preference, left hand time format, you can sync your time as well. Favorite contracts, shake for photograph hardware, and restore to factory settings. That just gives you the information on what you'd want to put about yourself, and everything, all the information from the watch goes straight to here, whether it be your steps, your calories, your ECG, heart rate, and everything like that. It'll all sync to there. So now it comes to notifications. So let me just make a quick phone call. As you can see right here, let's see how much credit I've got when it comes. And you can see it just goes to like that. It says connected. Right, let's do it again. All right, so let's, as you can see, it's connected, and the noise is going to come from the watch. £1.90. So we can take it off from there, and as you can see here, the notification has come from onto the, well, I received a text message from 150, swiping it up, and there's your notifications from the text message as well. So let's see what it's like when we make a phone call. I'm just on my other phone now, just gonna get up the number, and we're going to see if it actually says the number when it calls, or gives you the name as well. So as you can see, we've got a ringing, and Allsortzz is calling, and here the noise is on the watch as well. So that's really good. At least it comes up with the name, and there we go. So you've seen the notification from the text messages, and you've seen the notification from the calls as well. So you can toggle on and off what notifications you get with this smartwatch. So overall, my opinion about this watch is okay. It's good. Don't get me wrong, it's good. The only thing I don't like about it is the lagginess. It is a bit slow. It could be a little bit better. You could have a bit better features, but even the resolution of the screen is not really good. It's not a HD screen. I do like the looks of it, but would I use this personally? No, I wouldn't. So I hope that's answered a lot of your questions when it comes to this W66 watch. If you want to see any other videos with this watch, do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again for another video.